Illinois and Missouri are both below average in the pace of vaccinations, with a little more than 3% of residents now vaccinated.
But Governor Parson hopes to speed up the process by enlisting the help of the National Guard. News 4's Caroline Hecker joins us live in Jefferson City. And Caroline, this partnership is expected to begin in the next few days.
It is, and really the governor is hopeful that this partnership will help with the creation of mass vaccination sites all around the state. In all, once all is up and running, there will be 9, with the National Guard, of course, helping out at those. And the idea, hopefully, is that they'll be able to administer about 2,500 doses of the vaccine, up to that number at least, every day. Now, at this point, we know that the National Guard has helped out with some COVID-19 testing sites, but this will be their first role in the vaccination process. The first site set to begin in southeast Missouri this weekend. Governor said so they can kind of iron out any potential issues before they roll it out more across the state. Now, this partnership also includes targeted vaccination teams. They will be deployed to Kansas City and St. Louis to help find those most vulnerable in our population and help them get access. The CDC says only about 44% of doses that Missouri has received have actually been administered into the arms of Missourians. But today, Governor Parson saying there are big delays in vaccinators reporting, a paperwork issue that he hopes the National Guard will also be able to help out with.
I'm not so much worried about getting all the paperwork in. I mean, I want to get it in, that's why we're activating the Guard, but it's much more of a priority to get that vaccine in somebody's arm. So if that paperwork's a week late and the reporting numbers don't quite jive, that's okay. As long as I'm confident, as long as we're doing our job to get that vaccine in people's arms, that's what's important.
Now, state officials did mention today at this point they have not detected any of those variant strains of COVID-19 in Missouri just yet. And they also said the state is getting about 80,000 vaccine doses every week. And if you do the math, it would take quite a long time to be able to vaccinate the entirety of the state's population. But Dr. Randall Williams with the state says not so fast. Coming up at 6, we'll explain his logic and why he thinks it won't take that long. We're live in Jefferson City tonight. Caroline Hecker, News 4.
All right, Caroline, thank you. So far, 13 million people have rolled up their sleeves for the first dose of the COVID-19 vaccine. CDC says 2 million people have received both doses, so that means around 4% of Americans have now been vaccinated.